Hi, it's Sherri from A Quilting Life, and today I'm here to talk to you a little bit about the book Blue and White Quilts, published by Martingale. And I am really happy to have a quilt included in this fabulous book. And there are 13 quilts in total, and it's just a really great book. I'm kind of going to go through my quilt, some of the tips for making it, and then I'm also going to show you a preview of some of the other fabulous quilts included in the book. Okay, so when I was asked to participate in this book, I can't even tell you how excited I was. I've always loved blue and white quilts, and I immediately came up with my design. But I kind of put off doing my sewing, as I sometimes do, till the last minute. I was actually going to use another designer's fabric collection for this quilt, and I had collected her fabrics and I was ready to start, and kind of at the last minute I thought, wow, I think Chelsea and I have enough blue fabrics now in our collections that I can make this entirely from our fabric collections. And so at the last minute, I scrapped my plans to use the other fabrics and started going through my stash to find all of the navy prints that I could, because I wanted it to look as scrappy as possible. And I have to tell you, this little navy polka dot, it is gone. I barely had enough to put it in this quilt. It was one of my favorite fabrics when it came out. It was from our Desert Bloom collection. And I looked on eBay, I looked on Etsy, I tried to buy more. Moda was sold out. So anyway, I have like a 2.5-inch square left of this fabric is all. But it was really fun. It was really fun to be able to combine our fabrics from several different collections. And then I used this Moda Bella solid to tie it all together. And this sun print that I used for the centers of the blocks, that's from our Clover Hollow collection. That's one of my favorite prints that we've done as well. So I just really love this quilt. The custom quilting was done by Val Krieger, a very good friend of mine who does almost all of the custom quilting. In fact, for the past few years, she has done all of my custom quilting. And so she just did a beautiful job on this. But the book is just phenomenal. You can tell by looking at the cover that there are just some great quilts, all different styles, applique and pieced, and quilts that have a combination of applique and pieced. There are quilts with small pieces, and there are quilts with big pieces. Just while I'm on the small pieces, I did use a block lock ruler for all of the flying geese for my quilt, and it just made it to where all the points came out without being cut off. So I really recommend the block lock flying geese ruler for that. Just want to show you a couple. The photography in the Martingale books is just gorgeous. I just want to show you a couple of projects. This one, Lisa Alexander's quilt. I just love the 4-patch sashing with the orange peel blocks. Just really one of my favorites. I love this one, just simple sawtooth stars and flying geese. There's just so many great quilts in here. Like I said, 13 different quilts. This one's an antique quilt from the collection of Jennifer Keltner, and they've put the pattern in here. And that's what I love about this too, is there are a few different antique quilts that they found and written the pattern for, and those are just treasures. This is a gorgeous quilt that combines piecing and applique. There's just, whatever your style. This is Lisa Bonjean's Sapphire Star, and of course it's a jillion tiny half square triangles. I don't know how she does it. Val Krieger, who quilted my quilt, also quilted this one. So that was kind of fun for her to have 2 quilts in the book. But stars, I love, love, love this Tree of Life block. It's just a beautiful book, beautiful photography, just gorgeous quilts. This is a really fast and fun one by Camille Ross Kelly, to the 9s, 9 patches. Super fun. Anyway, it's a terrific book just for browsing or for making a variety of the quilts. I know you'd find more than one that you'd like to make, and I will link the book in the description below, and I will link the ruler I used because it really helped a lot. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video about the Blue and White Quilts book. I will actually put a link in the description below to the ruler I shared when I was talking about my quilt. And then also you need to know that all of the patterns in the book are exclusive to the book, so you can't find them anywhere else. But I will put a link so that you can find the book for purchase on Amazon in the description below. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel, and thanks so much for stopping by.